Do you need a small, compact tire inflator to keep in your car, your motorcycle, or bicycle? Well, let's check out AIRMOTO Smart Air Pump. Welcome to the channel. I want to talk to you today about compact air pumps that you can keep in your motorcycle, keep in your car, keep in a bag on your bicycle. AIRMOTO was gracious enough to send me their smart air pump for me to try out and to see and give an honest review. So if this is something that you're interested in, please check out the link below. Yes, it is an affiliate link. There is no extra cost to you, same price. I will receive a small commission that will help out the channel a little bit. So if you're interested, check it out. Let's go to seeing what's in the box. All right, let's see what's in the box here. Okay, you have some instructions. Okay. Comes with a nice bag, storage bag. Here's your hose. USB-C to charge it. This is a different valve. What is this valve? Let's see here. Presta valve. Okay, there's a Schrader valve on here. Okay. And a ball. To blow up a ball. Okay. And just a regular nozzle. All right. Let's check this out. Very compact. Okay. Let's turn this thing on. Let's see here. Can we turn this on? How do we turn this on? Deflate. Let's see. Power. Of course, I can't see anything. You can't see anything because it's so bright out. It's set at 38. So you have, this will do, PSI, it'll do KPA, and it'll do bar. So, and there's a car up here, motorcycle, these are presets or whatever, bicycle and basketball. But set it, you got your power on button right here. You have your plus or minus if you want to just up. I don't know if you can see, it's so bright. Up the PSI. So you can change this. All right, this here, there's a little tire here. This will go back to like car, motorcycle, bike, ball, and I think that's just your own personal preference. Okay. And I have it set on PSI, so if you click this button up here at the top, that changes the bar, KPA, KG, or back to PSI. So we use PSI. All right. All right, so to turn the light on, you need to long press the M, which is this button right here, the upper one. Long press. There, light's on, okay? Don't know if you can see it. Okay. Off. All right. So let's check this out. So here's your USB-C, so you can charge it right here. All you got to do is just twist this on. All right. That's it. You can deflate here, I guess, if you put this on, whatever. So let's go check out. All right. This tire always runs low on my car, so I'll just take the cover off. Let's just twist this on. All right, nice and easy. So up here at the top, it's telling you what it is, 32. I got it set on 40. And let's go. Hit the center button. I don't know if you can see it. So with car tires, it will take longer because they are bigger. Motorcycle tires and bicycles will be a lot faster. It's at 33.5. You know, this will do in a pinch. 34. You know, just to keep in your car if you need to. Okay. So that took a good 7.5 minutes to go from 32.5 psi to 40 psi. So, you know, car tires are a little bit slower. Now, be careful of this hose because it'll be hot from doing that. So all you got to do is just twist this off real quick, and you're all set. Okay. So you can use this in a pinch if you need to. It's a good thing to keep in your car. You know, if you ever get a flat on the side of the road. It will be slower. That's for sure. Now let's go check out a motorcycle. Okay, I'm in my shed. And here's my motorcycle front tire. My motorcycle front tire is always seems to be a little bit lower. So my motorcycle front tire, let's switch this over to motorcycle, and it's at 40. My rear tire is usually 40. My front tire, we do 36. So I have it set at 36. See, now you can see it a little bit better now, since it's out. Inside. Outside it was a little too bright, you couldn't see it. But anyway, motorcycle, 36 pounds. All right. Just thread that on there. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it is reading 31 right now. Okay. Okay. Let's see here. And we're going to go to 36. Let's see how this works. So it is a little faster on a motorcycle tire. It's already at 33. So this would be really good for a motorcycle, to keep it in the motorcycle. Look at that, already done, and flash and done. So that was pretty good. Take that right off. Yeah, good. So it does pump up motorcycle tires a lot faster than car tires. That's for sure. All right, let's check out a bicycle tire. This is my wife's e-bike. It's been sitting around for a while. We'll see what the air pressure in it is. So let's switch this over to bicycle. Okay, bicycle, they have it set at 40, so I like 50 pounds in here. All right. See how fast a bicycle tire is. And this is a regular bicycle. So Okay, so it's a regular Schrader valve in this bicycle, so it just takes the regular. Right now it's reading 35.5, and we're going to go up to 50. See how fast this is. Real fast on a bicycle tire too. Okay. All right. So, motorcycle tires, bicycle tires, they pump up fast. Car tire is going to take a little while. So, if you have an air compressor at home, I would suggest using an air compressor at home. But to keep this in your car, in case of emergencies where you get a flat tire on the side of the road, this will come in a pinch. All right, it will take a while to pump up a car tire. Okay, but right now, so when you're done with this, you just untwist this. So you just slide it in here for storage. Now let's go check out charging this up. All you need is, it comes with a small USB. You just need a power brick or whatever to plug in. So I'm just going to use my, have them all here. Use my phone one. Okay. And you just plug it in. And it's flashing. I don't know if you can see it. Flashing red right now. Flashing orange. So we'll see how long it takes to charge up. Okay. So when this light here, when it's flashing red, that means it's it's at 10 to 30%. When it's flashing orange like this one is, it's 30 to 60%, okay? Then it'll flash green for 60 to 100%. And it'll be steady green when it is finished charging. All right. Now the light is green, solid green, means it's fully charged. It's all done charging. Now what you can do, got your hose in there, right? It's not coming out. You got to release right here to release it if you need to. Okay, see, if you click that, it comes out. All right, so after you got it charged, ready to go, you can grab your little bag. Put it in there. Shoot, there you go. Look how small that is. All right, now you're ready to store it wherever you're going to store it. Keep it in whatever vehicle you're going to keep it in. Store it in your glove box. It's small enough. Look at that. Got an e-bike? Got a bag? Store it in your bag for your bike. Got a motorcycle? Okay. Small enough? Store it in your saddlebag. A lot of great uses for this small, compact air pump. Like I said, works great for bicycle tires, works great for motorcycle tires, probably your lawnmower tires and stuff like that too. It does work on car and truck tires, but it's going to take a little while. Depending on how many pounds you need, it's going to take a while to do your car and truck tires, but it will do it. Links will be in the description below. They are affiliate links. So if you're interested, hit them up. It's a great, compact, really small air pump. And if you stayed throughout this video, I greatly appreciate it. You know what to do. Hit all those buttons. And if you want to see some more of my content, check out the video up here. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.